Hello, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. After a long period, today I will discuss with you regarding one successful person in India. So, all of you ready to listen me? Thank you so much. Dear friends, if you all give me a permission, then I can ask one question. First question is, who is your role model? And the next question, why they are your role model? People are the key to success or extraordinary success. So my dear friends, today I am going to discuss with you one of the successful person, the philanthropist Mr. Azim Premji. My dear friends, a great personality, Mr. Azim Premji, has a 5 commandments. 1. There is no substitute for hard work. The person who works harder generally tends to win in terms of peer group. Second, don't give up. Then third, always look at the brighter side of life. Number 4, donate. It gives you immense satisfaction. And last one is, truth is absolute. Fame, success, money, follow it. Friends, now it is time to share some interesting facts which you might like to know about Azim Premji. Azim Premji became the first Indian to sign up for Giving Pledge, a campaign led by Warren Buffett and Bill Gates to encourage the wealthiest people to make commitment to give most of their wealth to philanthropic causes. Azim Premji has twice been listed among the 100 most influential people by Time magazine, once in 2004 and more recently in 2011. Dear friends, Mr. Azim Premji has given some ways to lead your life with success and pride. First point is on how to stay successful. The moment you have success, your expectations from the profession goes up. But more importantly, your expectations from yourself go up, and I think the only way to have sustained success is to keep competing with yourself. That's the only enduring this according to me. Second point is on how to de-stress. Always do exercise, be active and not lead a sedentary life. A certain physical activity should be maintained. Walk, skip or jog along with a good food diet. That is the only way to de-stress. Third point is on how to stay modest. If you set high standards for yourself, you strive to meet standards and hence remain modest. Dear friends, today we are going to play one quiz. So ready for quiz time? Today I will ask some questions to all of you. If you have an answer, then you can write me in my comments box. So, ready for this? Let's start. Question number 1. Azim Premji has been awarded Padma Vibhushan in year. Options are A. 2013, B. 2012, C. 2011 and D. 2010. Question number 2. Azim Premji has been listed among the 100 most influential people by Time magazine. How many times? Options are A, thrice, B, once, C, none of this, and D, twice. Now, quiz question number 3. Which of the following award or honor is not received by Azim Premji? Options are A, Doctor of Humane Letters, B, Padma Bhushan, C, Padma Shri, and D, Padma Vibhushan. And last question is, Wipro diversified into IT in which year? Your options are there. A, 1980, B, 1990, C, 1978, and last option D, 1983. Now please give your answer in my comment box. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you friends.